experiments. Even fresh blocks can support a person's weight. Henry Intelligent Block Machine specializes in the production of all-round concrete block making machines, especially the one you see, which can produce different types of hollow bricks and different colorful pavement bricks. This is a panoramic display of our QT3-15 fully automatic hydraulic hollow block making machine. Our company uses the electronically controlled touchscreen cabinet of imported Schneider components. The program is simple and easy to understand. The setting parameters are easy to be modified. Compared with ordinary mixers, we improved and equipped with ladder lifting hopper mixer, which not only reduces the customer's land area, but also saves labor. The machine integrates automatic plate feeder, automatic metal feeder, automatic block output, automatic palletizing of blocks, and one-button start in automatic mode. By changing different modes, it can produce colorful paving bricks like this zigzag paver. Equipped with color pigment feeder system, second-time compacting, the zigzag paving brick can be colorful surface. The high-strength compacting oil cylinder is matched with a high-power vibrator for vibration forming. The block forming cycle is short, and the pressure is high. The blocks are strong. The real-type stacking machine is fast, stable, safe in palletizing. Through destructive experiments, even fresh blocks can support a person's weight.